We are looking for the Avon Theater, which we haven't found anything like it. And we need Justin as a tour guide. Where's he at? Oh.
There it is!
Where?
Right there!
Where?
Hey Missy, where are we at?
We are going to the Avon Theater!
Shh, calm down. Cross it.
No, stop putting my eggs out. There's a car coming this way, but we'll wait for it. Then we'll
Where? Oh. Step back a little bit. There's Dad. Let's wait for Dad. Here comes Dada. It's right there.
Yeah.
Don't want to get hit by cars.
So let's wait. There's a truck. Daddy, wait. And then there's a car. Okay, there's a bus. Oh, okay, cool. Thanks. Right here, Missy. Right there. Right there. Right there. No, not there, Missy.
Side?
He sat over here. No, remember? He sat. There was a thing right here. Sit down, and I'll take a little.
Can I get a video to you?
No, it's okay. Yes, it's
You
wet.
don't have to sit down. Just stay still. Can I get a video of you? I'm looking at the thing.
Can you?
No.
Okay, you guys, where are you gonna be?
I'm excited.
So what are we doing, Missy?
Well, we're at the Avon Theater, walking around Stratford, looking for some interesting stuff. And people wrote goat everywhere.
Yes.
It's there,
Goats.
and there, and here.
Where's goat? I can't find it with the camera. Oh, goat. Goat.
I didn't know.
I don't know where it is again. But yeah.
Justin sat on these very steps 4 years ago, playing with guitar, singing.
I don't.
I know the words to the song.
Cool.
Have some guitar cases open right there. This is actually closed right now.
So it's winter and there's no plays going on.
Sorry, where's it now? Cheetah! What else is over here? There's a Christmas wreath up. Hole in the ceiling. I gotta pee.
Me too.
There's some gum on the ground.
How many days till Christmas? 27 days until Christmas.
Sounds about right.
Oh, the poorhouse. That was on the list.
Where at?
See,
This
where's
thing?
the poorhouse? Who's house?
Alright,
It would be by the Avon Theater. And that's number 1.
City Hall. Where's City Hall?
So I think I'm looking at number 8. Yes, I am. I'm good. Number 8. Where Justin and his friends played pool, conveniently located across from his favorite busking spot and down the street from the skate park.
I think it's 15.
Look who's here. Hey, buddy. Look at those scary mannequins. Yikes. Holy crap. Hello, Missy.
3D.
Fail.
Ready, 3D. Better?
Sure. Don't have 3D capabilities, but sure.
Come on.
Alright, bye-bye, people.
We'll be right back.
KK. You guys need to turn to your left, not your right. I found good again. Yay. No.
Okay, what am I
Leave
doing?
in now. Stratford. It's good seeing you.
It'll be nicer in the summertime with the Shakespeare Festival.
Yeah.
Wow, that cat's crap.
There's the YMCA. There's the YMCA.
Yeah, I knew that.
But we didn't pass it yet.
Yes, we did.
No, that was something else.
Oh, we passed.
No.
Yes, we did.
Relax. No arguing.
This is the one that the picture was.
Oh, skate park.
There's skip.
Does anyone want to hand sanitize themselves?